Have you ever looked into a man's eyes and wondered what he's really hiding? Men don't always say, "I love you." Sometimes they show it, in small, quiet ways that speak louder than words. So today, we'll uncover 10 subtle signs he's secretly in love with you, even if he's never said a word. 1. His eyes soften when he looks at you. You'll notice it. It's not lust, not curiosity, but warmth. A man in love can't hide it. His gaze slows down, like he's memorizing you. It's silent admiration, not possession. 2. He remembers small details. You mentioned once that you love jasmine tea or that you hate the rain, and weeks later, he brings you tea or walks you home under his jacket. That's not coincidence. That's care. 3. He gets protective, not controlling. He's not trying to own you. He's making sure you're safe. It's the quiet act of stepping on the traffic side, waiting for you to get home or checking in just to know you're okay. His masculinity becomes a shield, not a prison. 4. He listens differently. When you speak, he isn't waiting for his turn. He's absorbing every word. You can tell by how he responds, not with advice, but understanding. That's emotional presence, and it's rare. 5. His mood shifts when you're distant. If you pull away, he feels it. He might not chase or beg, but you'll notice the change. A man in love can feel your absence like a missing heartbeat. 6. He supports your growth. A man who loves you wants to see you rise. He doesn't compete with your strength. He admires it. He'll encourage your goals, celebrate your wins, and stand silently behind your dreams. 7. He introduces you to his world. Love for a man means trust. When he lets you into his circle, his friends, his family, his routines, it's his way of saying, "You belong here." That's deeper than any confession. 8. He becomes self-conscious around you. He may act calm, but his nervous laughter or small stumbles reveal what words won't. Love humbles even the strongest man. Around the one he cares for, he's vulnerable, and that's beautiful. 9. He shows up when it matters. Not just in the good times, but when things fall apart. If he stays through your storms, not to fix you, but to stand beside you, that's love in action. 10. He never stops choosing you, even in silence. You won't need constant reassurance, because his consistency is the reassurance. The calls, the presence, the way he remembers to show up, day after day, that's his way of saying, "You matter." Love doesn't always announce itself with grand gestures. Sometimes it whispers through loyalty, patience, and quiet acts of care. If you recognize these signs, you're not imagining things. He's just loving you in the only way he knows how, through actions, not words. So pay attention, not to what he says, but to what he shows. Because when a man truly loves you, his silence speaks volumes.